Again, Babe Poochie's bug. You know my name. And then Allie is back for, yes, another gymnastics video. Yay. Today, if you haven't already read the title, we are going to be doing a tutorial on back bend kickovers or back walkovers. Alright, so let's get started. If you haven't hit that subscriber button yet, go ahead, pause the video, hit it, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, hopefully we'll upload a lot more often. We just like making you guys happy. Anyway, now actually.
Okay, so before we get into this, you have to make sure that you have a solid bridge. And to stretch, you can just go back and forth, straighten your legs, and then kind of just do a rock and roll thing. So let's get into the video.
Alright, so today we are going to start off with back bends because that's like the first part in our back walkover if you haven't learned that. Anyway, let's get started. The first drill we have today, you are going to do a bridge against the wall. You're going to work your hands down to a bridge. Then you're going to work your hands back up to it until you're standing. Right, next thing you're going to do is you're going to do a back bend. Get help of a trusted adult or friend. Spotter, you're going to put your hands on shoulder and back. And the person who's doing it, you're going to lean back, watch your hands, make sure your arms are straight. Spotter, make sure you're doing it right. Next, after many tries, we are going to... Well, you can take a break for a while because we're going to work on bridge kickovers, and then at the end, we'll start collabing them. Next, we're doing bridge kickovers, so little kids get in a bridge. Parents, if they need help, you're welcome to help them get up, but they need to learn also. Kids, you probably heard this a lot of times, but you're going to push your shoulders to the wall while still pushing. Parents, you can help put your legs up and kick over.
So after many tries,
when you're natural at those two skills, if you can try to get a spot, that's great, but if you still need a spot, that's also okay, because we will still be here, but once you've got those two down, keep on watching. Next, we're going to do those two skills down together, so spotters are going to do the same thing. People are doing it, you're just going to lean back, you're going to bridge, you're going to push, and you're going to kick over. Easy. Alright, when you have been able to do it with spots, okay, if you haven't yet, go ahead and take lots of time to practice. But if we haven't yet, we can show you. The next thing you're going to do when you have those both down, instead of doing back bend on 2 feet, you can do it on 1 foot, preferably your good foot. You can get dizzy doing it. You just want to make sure your balance is pretty good. If you don't make it over the first time, that's okay because you can keep trying. If that has worked for you, congrats. If that hasn't, just keep on trying. We know you'll get it soon because everybody does, even if it takes a whole lifetime, which I hope it doesn't. But anyway, keep on practicing and we'll see you next time on Baby Poochie's Barn.